Let me ask you a question. If you're driving down the road and you see smoke coming from underneath your hood, would you pull over and open the hood and then open an app on your phone and wait for it to change, wait to find the right button to press, monitor the temperature gauge, wait for the car to explode? No, you wouldn't. You would take action. A lot of people have credit monitoring. I'm like a broken record on this topic of all the things that can crush your credit score. Utilization is really at the top of that list, right? Number one is pay history. Number two is utilization. It's uniquely powerful because you can manipulate it faster than anything else on your report, right? Just paying your bills, paying the credit cards down impacts your credit score immediately. Sometimes in as soon as days, depending upon when you pay those bills. 100 points is on the line if you got credit cards maxed out. Credit utilization is critical to the mix. Anyone that comes to me, any report that I look at, I always look at the revolving credit so I can know where you stand. Are you maxed out when you found me? Is that the situation? By paying for their service. But you don't take any action, you're set it and forget it with them. Doesn't make any sense. You get the updates. Your score's changed by 2 points. Your score's changed by 5 points. Who cares? Honestly. You want the alert when something goes wrong. And furthermore, you want to be able to respond when something goes wrong. You want to be able to step up. Give you a couple of things to think about. Step one, from alert to action plan. The next time you get one of those alerts, don't just look and sigh. If it's something that needs your attention, get on it. Get on it then. Or pick up the phone and ask us to get on it and look at it. We'll do it for free. Negative item just got updated. An account just went negative. A new collection popped up, whatever it is. Step two, get into the dispute engine if something's going on. Don't sit there passively. See what it is. Dispute it. Start the process. Go right to the bureaus online that day. Number three, the proactive assault. The real credit management isn't reactive, right? It's taking steps to do things to fix your credit when there's a problem. The red light goes on and you take action. It's simple. Don't just monitor your credit. Don't just watch your credit. Command your credit. Be the boss of your credit. Help me help you. And all of that. I want to take a look at your credit. I want to give you an analysis at no cost. Pick up the phone, text, or call today. 702-778-2000. Use the word credit.